Meaning of encamp.
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 Encamp. Encamp means to set up a camp or temporary dwelling in an area for a period of time. This involves establishing a site for shelter, cooking, and other activities necessary for survival. The act of encamping has been employed by various groups throughout history, including military troops, nomadic tribes, and explorers. Encamping requires careful consideration of the environment, availability of resources, and potential risks. Proper organization and preparation are crucial for a successful encampment, which can provide safety, comfort, and a sense of community in the outdoor wilderness.